there in Tennessee?
A couple times.
See, is that kind of is that not your scene? Is it too cowboy for you?
There's babes running all over that damn place that is just want to dance and hang out. Like,
absolutely.
Yeah, of course, Nashville's awesome. Like, and the thing is, Jordan, I like line dancing. So there was a concert I was going to that had tickets to the fair, and in the fair there's all these like little concerts going on and line dancing. So,
yeah, brother. Yeah. Let's go. Turn Brady up.
What's up, Casey?
I'm gonna get you a bell buckle and a pair of boots, Brady, on your doorstep, bro. On your doorstep with some Wranglers.
Bro, I would rock them. It's funny. I get a cowboy hat on.
Yeah.
A little two-step.
Love it. I grew up here in Nashville and I hate this place now. Nashville's fun. I don't know if I'd want to live there ever, but it's definitely fun to visit.
Yeah, it's hard not to have a good time there.
Yeah,
you have to have a good time.
Ooh. No volatility.
Mm-hmm. I was out in Knoxville as well, which was fun. And I forget the other place. Me and Ryan. Oh. Thanks, Hemp. True Social. The Democrats are doing everything possible to hurt the very strong position we are in with respect to Iran, despite World War I lasting 4 years, 3 months, 14 days. Oh boy. Go read that.
Cheese and rice.
That's wild. Yeah, I see it on my financial juice. Oh shit. They actually gave $1.7 billion in green cash loaded into a Boeing 757 and flown to Iran for Iranian leadership to spend any way they saw fit. Oh my God. Bro. Bro. I like Gatlinburg. I think we were near there. I think that was the spot we were in. Or like near there. Oh, in Seaverville. Like kind of that area. That's what it was. It was cool. It's fucking freezing cold though. Like when we were there. Fuck, dude. I had biggest jacket I had was a Carhartt. That was it. Freezing my ass off.
Fake news saying that I am under pressure to make the deal. This is not true.
This is not true. I am under no pressure whatsoever.
Bro, you realize he definitely does voice to text.
Bro, yeah, 100%. Fuck.
He 100%. Damn it, Siri. This is fake news.
Seaverville.
I-54.
I didn't know you were live over there, Steven.
Oh, yeah. We live. I ain't doing shit.
For the turkey bowl. The hell is a turkey bowl?
Turkey bowl, boy.
I'm not familiar.
Gotta get yourself that turkey bowl.
How are you doing, Casey?
Good. Just been chilling since we caught that dump earlier on Q's.
Very nice.
That was it. Because we haven't done anything since we literally target downside on QQQ earlier when it broke was 642.50. It hit it to the penny. We bounced back up straight to the same line that I had across the chart. And we've just been chopping right underneath of it for, what, 2.5 hours now? This is yucky. I mean, IWM looks like a potential head and shoulders right now. Other than that, I don't really like anything else.
My favorite part is when Brady was talking about Stephen Hawkins and Stephen Casey answered. I guess I'm the only one that caught that.
Shit.
Oh, I thought he was talking. I wasn't even looking at the screen. I was looking at the chart whenever he was talking.
He was talking about his
Stephen
book
Hawking.
map. He calls him Stephen
Yeah.
Hawkins.
You call your book map Stephen Hawking?
Did you not hear the guy?
Large order indicator. It goes by 52.
The ironic thing was Casey's name is Steven and was like, oh, I'm not doing much of
You
anything.
didn't know you're live over there.
Not much, just hanging around.
Who, me? No.
Me? No, you're hanging around. Trying to figure out this connection between TradingView and Discord and the code and adding roles and stuff. I'm not that intelligent.
You missed a good food discussion earlier.
Oh, lay it on me. What was it? What kind of food did Jordan try to tell you is so much better?
Look, it wasn't Jordan today. I left Jordan alone.
Oh,
But
who was it?
Really, we went all over the place. I think Jarrett started it. He just said, "Here's a," because we knew it was going to be choppy, and it's been choppy. But he said, "Is a hot dog a sandwich?" And then we went down some deep rabbit holes.
We went down some rabbit holes. Fuck.
Dude, who did I have that conversation with last week?
Yeah.
Oh, I had it with my little brother when he came over because we had hot dogs with the kids for dinner, and I made that joke that hot dog was just to mess with a 10-year-old kid, but that a hot dog is a sandwich. And he's like, "No, it's not." And I was like, "Well, let's go ahead and start this debate then." So we went down that rabbit hole. So what was the consensus?
Ryan came to the
Well,
conclusion that it's a sub.
It's a sub.
The sub.
Yeah.
But he's defining that by it being
By the bread.
by the bread being together still. But I've had plenty of sandwiches that are the bread's still like not fully cut. It's just like together, you know.
So
that's where I'm like, But like
Okay,
a sub is a sandwich, right? So it's it's the same thing, I guess.
that's what
I
I'm
don't
saying.
know.
Because the bread doesn't necessarily have to connect though, because when you go to Chick-fil-A and you order a chicken sandwich, it's just two buns and they ain't connected. It's still
Yeah,
labeled as a
well,
sandwich.
Well, that's where we started there too, because down here where I live and in a lot of other places like in Europe, if it's like they'll call, even in Puerto Rico, Jordan, they'll call a chicken sandwich will be a burger. They'll call it a burger, like as a category.
So is a burger is a sandwich?
I mean,
No.
essentially, it's the same
Oh,
thing.
no. At the
But a
same
burger's
time,
a burger.
Jordan said yes and Emp said no. Let's go ahead and start this one up.
Well, here's the thing. Like, no. Like, I'm with Emp. Like we talked about it already. Like, ground beef, it's a burger. Like, it is a burger. But obviously, like, if we go technically, like, they're all the same. It's all bread and meat in between, basically. You know what I mean?
So a burger.
But a burger is not a sandwich. But I guess a
is not
sandwich
Yeah. What's a
can
sloppy
kind of be a
Joe?
burger.
Is
Because
sloppy
a chicken
Joe, like-
sandwich is a chicken burger down here in Mexico. So a sandwich can be a burger. A burger can't be a sandwich.
But
I
a
think it's the
slice,
conclusion.
to your point, you use a hamburger bun, and that's
a
burger.
hamburger bun makes it a burger.
So if you put
It was a burger.
anything, so if I put cut up steak in between two
Steak
hamburger
burger.
buns, it's a hamburger. It's a steak burger.
It's a steak burger. Yeah.
It's all about the bun.
Burger.
That's
becomes
how
a
we're
category.
defining it, though. I'm not
Yeah.
arguing. I'm
Yeah,
just
yeah.
I'm cute.
Yeah.
I want to get this down. All right,
Ooh.
there you have it. There you have it.
So a hot dog can only be and the only person who's going to be able to relate to this, I know this for a fact. The only person who can relate to this next sentence is Emp, right? And that's just because of who we are. So Emp probably knows back in the day, we weren't using hot dog buns for hot dogs as kids. We were taking one piece of sliced white bread and we were putting a hot dog in the middle of that. So is that a sandwich?
You sloppy fuckers.
That's a
That's a
taco.
sandwich. It's
Hey,
a
bro.
sandwich.
You guys just don't know the struggle.
Yeah. Jordan, you ain't never do that as a kid. Like growing up, that's not what you did.
No. If we didn't have buns, I just ate the hot dog. Like I just like to eat the hot dogs.
No, like as a kid growing up, when I was over at friends' houses, when I was getting over my family friend, she ran a whole daycare, and all of us would have to go there after school, in elementary school and middle school, whatever it is. But when it was hot dog time for lunch or dinner, whatever it is, it was not on buns. It was on a sliced piece of white bread all the time for all of the kids. That's how it always was. Every time. What? So that'd be a sandwich then.
Yeah, it'd be a sandwich.
You ever have a Schmitty burger?
Yeah, I literally just eat raw tuna all the time. It's honestly not
Hot
far from
dog
the truth.
on a burger with cheese pressed.
Ooh, that sounds good.
It's very good.
Sounds bomb.
Oh. Now, the one I said earlier, Casey, was you take the ramen noodles, you cut up some hot dog, throw some shredded cheese on there.
Ooh,
A little poor man's casserole.
I bet that's probably good.
What if you eat a burger patty and a croissant then? It's croissant.
Ooh.
Bro, Domino's made
It's a ground beef croissant.
pizza, and it's the worst thing I've ever tried.
You tried it?
Croissant pizza.
Yeah, like
Yeah,
the crust is
croissants are
croissant.
probably shit, dude.
No, the crust of the pizza is croissant bread.
Yeah, it's probably
It was
horrible.
not good. It was like just greasy as all get out.
Colin said, "That's how poor you were, Casey. It's okay, buddy. I also grew up poor."
I mean, I had times where we didn't have buns too, but I just like ate the hot dog instead. I just ate the hot dog raw.
We would at least toast the bread sometimes, Casey.
Dude, my sister, she's so weird growing up as a kid. She ate the same three things, I swear to God, every single day for, I don't know, fucking 12 years. She would only eat the banquet chicken patties, frozen ones.
Yeah.
That's all she would eat. Only those. She would eat hot dogs, but she would eat them cold right out of the bag.
Yeah,
Like,
that was me. That was me. I
Straight
used to do
straight
that.
out of the fridge.
Yup.
And then she would eat cottage cheese with salt and pepper.
Gross.
Like
I
those
used to do that
three
too.
things is like, that's all she ate as a kid growing up, and I'm like, that's freaking disgusting,
I loved a good cold hot dog, bro.
dude.
Growing
All the
up.
time.
Loved a
Just-
good cold hot dog. Oh my goodness. After
down
school,
here-
you get home. Fucking
Down here, they take
in the crisper, or they're in the bag.
They take a hot dog and they cut it up and put it in scrambled eggs.
Ooh.
It's actually really common.
You know what I had this morning for breakfast that I haven't had since I was a kid because they served it at school, was the little breakfast pizza.
Oh, dude, the rectangle.
Yeah. Egg, cheese, sausage on top. Yeah. We got one from, I think we got it from Walmart with our delivery order. They had it. So we threw that in the oven this morning, had that for breakfast.
Everybody
with
in the
kids.
chat forgets I lived on a fucking boat. Okay. Everybody in the chat forgot that.
He's
As a young bachelor that didn't know how to cook.
Like, bruh, talk to me about fucking poor eating. Shit. Used to live on a
There ain't no
fucking boat.
Uber Eats.
I started spaces on fucking boat, dude. Talk to me about
Oh,
that shit.
Miami.
Talk to me about not being able to do your laundry unless you have fucking quarters. And you have to walk all the way down the dock, all the way up to the yacht club every time you want to go shower or do laundry. Talk to me about that shit.
Bro, I went to college and I lived in a dorm where you had to go.
Yeah, go drive to the
You had to go
laundromat.
down. Yeah, well,
Ah, dude, yeah.
no, it wouldn't even. There wouldn't even be parking, so you had to like walk down flights of stairs and then walk halfway across campus carrying a big ass thing of laundry. Had like a shoulder strap, just looked like I was headed off to the war. Who experienced the hardest
Just to
time?
confirm, Jordan, your nearest neighbor was the yacht club.
Yeah, guy lived on a boat. It's not like he was roughing it.
Oh my gosh. The second boat was pretty good. You should have seen the first one. You guys don't realize. Holy shit.
I used to have to go to the yacht club to shower.
It's not it's called the yacht club. It's not really
It's like
what you think. It's not
subtle
quite
flex.
what you think, I promise.
No, it's not really like, yeah.
When you hear that, you think,
the actual,
bright and shiny and beautiful, clean things.
just
Like,
sounds-
it's not necessarily that.
Full transparency, I did grow up going to the Annapolis Yacht Club, so just putting that out there. That was nice
There
and
you
fun.
go. Silver spoon.
Bunch of rich ass white people.
Can we get to can we get to my magnet here?
Q's definitely looking better than Spy.
Everybody
for this
thinks I
upside.
grew up like fucking with money. This is hilarious. I wish. Goodness. Why you think I'm so into making money? It's because I watched my parents struggle their whole life.
Right.
Kidding me? Fuck. They always made sure I had food though. Big shouts out to mom and dad.
I honestly
Shout out to
didn't.
the
I didn't have any
goats.
of times until I was on my own.
Look at this 103.
I wasn't rich or anything, but I didn't have tough times either. Just middle of the back.
Yeah. I agree. That's always the hardest time, right? Start actually doing life completely by yourself.
It's the worst.
Ugh.
What the hell?
What the hell?
What the hell?
Freaking Discord.
I will say, sometimes I miss the boat, though. It's a lot of fun. It's cool to live on a boat. It's also a great conversation starter anywhere you go. People hear that, like, it's like, what?
I'm on a boat, mother.
If I didn't have a family, I'd be down.
Yeah, it's tough when,
Right.
yeah, because you have to get a boat
Just
that's
boat it
like,
up together.
big enough. Yeah.
Ooh, smacky. That's the
Nathan
pivot point.
Lawrence has a sick documentary out of him like traveling around, like him, his wife, little baby in a boat, surfing remote islands in Indonesia, cooking. It's awesome.
Who was the football player that started sailing around the world? Jimmy Graham, I think.
Mm.
There was a baseball player that lived out of his van for a while.
Would you tell your dates? I didn't tell them anything. I just picked them up on the little dinghy boat by the shore, and then we'd go. And
You want to know something else?
we'd go and we'd
interesting?
show up to the boat, you know.
So like down here, there's motels everywhere that are literally just for like you can get like 4 hours or 8 hours or whatever. Like, because so many people still live with their families.
Yeah.
Like there's like everywhere you have these motels,
Interesting.
and they're all like they have like thematic rooms and all this stuff, and they're literally for hooking up.
Oh my goodness.
And that's
Oh,
so
Red
such a
Roof
foreign
Inn?
thing to me.
Red Root. Red Root Inn.
The boat made life easy, Colin. Boat made life easy.
Like a normal like teenager, 20-year-old, 25-year-old, like you're going on a date to the movies, and then you're gonna try to take her to the hotel or the motel for like a couple hours.
It's hilarious.
It's literally, it's just a different attitude. It was so foreign to me. I was driving by one day, and it's like you drive your car in there and like pull into a garage, and the garage door closes, so you have like privacy, and then you go up the stairs into a room. I've never even been to one because I have no reason to go to one. But dude, it's wild.
That is wild.
And I just drove by and I saw one that said it said auto motel, like automobile, and I'm like, was this like it's like a parking garage? Like what's
Yeah.
what's an auto motel?
Keegan. Oh, that's funny.
Yeah, very common outside of the U.S.
Nah, there were a lot of good things about the boat. Like, honestly, like, I look back and I'm just glad to be off of it because there were just a lot of shitty
you
things
just got a
about
headline.
quality of life. But
U.S. State Department, U.S. won't hold a second round of talks between the Lebanese and Israel ambassadors this Thursday.
mm. But there were some good times on the boat.
Guys, I know what it's for. I'm just telling you where I grew up. That was not a thing. Only motels were like Motel 6, and you're getting you're going for a full night. And there was no like room service. There was no in-room jacuzzi. We just drove to the end of a cul-de-sac and got in the back seat. What a boring day.
Dude. Market just doesn't like the indecision with everything that's going on right now.
I mean, for the
That's how
last
I'm feeling.
2.5 hours, we've done nothing but just slowly grind right back up to where we fell from.
Rage! 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 Fucking rage!
Mm-hmm. I don't know.
Good Lord.
Janet.
Check this out.
Oh, girl is stacked.
Bro, stacked.
Fuck, she is stacked. God
Look at this guy.
damn,
He's got his arm hooked around the bottom of the bar for leverage.
oh my goodness. Look at her back. Oh my God.
Bro, she looks like she's
just-
a pole vaulter.
It's just her wrist. Her wrist. She got him. She would have
weak wrists.
weak wrist.
Oh my
Yeah. Other than
God.
that, she would have had him.
She still might have him.
Matthew's crazy.
Oh, he let go of the table.
Bro, she has the face of the type that would just beat you in an arm wrestle. She probably.
Holy shit. Look at her shoulder, dude.
Looks like her freaking wrist about to snap back. Jesus Christ. She's like pushing into it now. Are we coming down?
Mama.
Fucking impressed.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Sorry, I just scrolling the news feed and I saw that.
IWM broke the trend line for that little wonky head and shoulders. Oh.
That is gnarly, brother.
And then Spy printed a sell signal at 125 on your 5 minute.
Honestly,
Yeah.
respect.
You
to
ever-
that.
You ever see a girl stacked like that? You do not arm wrestle her because it's just a
No.
lose-lose situation.
No, yeah, it's a
You
lose-lose
do not-
situation every time.
Just put yourself in winning situations, just like
Yeah.
trades. Same thing. Don't
Bro,
put yourself
that
in
is-
losing situations.
Yo,
I
no,
got
Lydia
mogged.
is
Dude, he
doing
got frame
that.
mogged by her. Holy shit.
Negative aura.
Bro, like, fuck.
Fire!
Yeah.
So the divergence is flipping. Nvidia is about to make a new high of day.
Mm-hmm.
QQQs is trending up, and SPY and IWM are cooling off. Go figure.
Spy's in a squeeze on the 5 minute, 15, and 30 now. Because it's been taking 1,000 years. We just hit the midpoint line of the day's range on Spy and Qs again on this back test.
Nvidia's
Oh.
doing its puppy.
The fuck? Oh my gosh, my screen is spazzing.
Oh, I was like, what?
No, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. I apologize.
T-Line is in MSTR, Coin, and Tesla. You're taking Tesla calls in front of, or are you just holding? Oh, Bitcoin's getting a little pop. The
Corn?
The corn is popping. Coinbase, little gap down recovery. Okay. BMNR red, that makes sense, of course.
Is it evergreen?
MSTR is all the way back to 168. Wow. think I had my magnet turned the wrong direction.
Hmm.
The polarity was off, as somebody said
Ooh.
eloquently earlier.
Marvel, MRVL, ripping.
I
A
was
high
wondering
day.
something.
It's been ripping. Looks like it almost had news like 45 minutes ago.
15 minutes.
Cruising down the street.
I'm just holding the 9 EMA still.
I don't like jack shit.
Nah. Get SPX just right here, just stuck.
Anything coming in on the flat?
Hmm.
The hell's long in
Yeah.
Etsy?
What's the viral post for this week gonna be? I gotta get brewing. Gotta brew up a good one. The master has to go to work.
Getting a potential 5-minute reversal signal right now on spine cues. It only started 1 minute ago, but right off that 50.
You're still holding the trend. I think we're going to 44,744.
Oh, here comes the game train. Here we go. Push it, push it.
They're gonna go gap fill, aren't they? Those dirty dogs, bro. Watch, we're just gonna get a headline and shoot to the gap, huh? How far is that? 100 points? 120? 115?
744 is what I want.
Ugh. I love how your chart name is Max. Love it.
Yeah.
In all caps.
You know what my other one is?
Oh, you got it. Add it as amp. There we go.
I have imp and I have
So
max.
it is all your, yeah. You know, if you set them as favorites, you don't have to do, like if you were to set them both as favorites, it'll just make it to where you can one click and go to one. But I see you have 2 tabs open, so you can just do that too, but.
I have 3.
Or yeah. But I just have it to where it'll mark all your favorites. The same way you can do it with time frames. Like if you go and favorite your time frame, it'll pop up there. You can just click it. You can do that same thing with different chart layouts. Honestly, I'm sure most people saw it, but TradingView's newest update, they finally put an L and an S on the long and short position. It's the best update they've had forever. It was a great update. Very happy about that.
Senior Pakistani official says they're confident they can get Iran to attend. Wow, AEHR still going? Good lord. Nothing but bullish headlines around that name. Oh, what is this? Wearable device, WLDS? What is this chart? You go up 133% just to go red? That is crazy. I wish we could like listen to music. Come on, do some crazy.
I ain't doing shit. Nothing to do.
Nope.
No, it was like, what time was it? It was 11:15, and I went up to my trade of 8, and I locked myself out for 6 hours.
Nice.
Smart.
Oh! Volatility! Oh! Ow!
Now what?
The hell?
I'm winning a war by a lot. Things are going very well. Our military has been amazing. And if you read the fake news like the failing New York Times, the absolutely horrendous and disgusting Wall Street Journal, or the now almost defunct, fortunately, Washington Post, you would think that we're losing the war. The enemy's confused. Most important of all, the blockade, which we will not take off until there is a deal, is absolutely destroying Iran. They are losing $500 million a day. All right.
Okay.
Now what? Well, they need some like 20 milligram versions of these Zens.
Try 12.
I have been.
Oh,
Put 2 6s in.
112 is a little bit different. I feel like.
Is it warm enough to go to the pool today or not?
Yes, it is.
Because if this continues for the next
I would-
45 minutes, I can tell you what I'm doing.
Yeah.
It's leaving this damn office.
AMD has a topping engulfing.
A Top Golf.
Topping / engulfing.
Golf.
I love Top Golf, dude.
I'm big Top Golf. Here's the trick though. Top Golf. Take your own flask. Just order a Coca-Cola. Now you just paid $2 for all those drinks all day.
Your secret's out, Imp.
Well, otherwise,
Wait,
you're
you
paying
want to
like $10-12 a drink.
swing AMD puts? Is that what you're telling me?
I mean, I don't know what this looks like to you, but
Oh no. How do all the others look in that space?
I mean, SMH looks almost the exact same as AMD, just AMD looks a little bit weaker. Market don't care, they're just gonna keep buying. Bookmap doesn't even really have any interest on here.
Had these like 103 lots bouncing around every now and then.
Ooh, Apple. Hey,
What's Crapple?
pushing to the highs.
Yes, they are.
Buy signal came in at 135 Morningstar, and it is off to the races.
Yeah, this kind of like sideways day is what I was wanting like 5 days ago.
Oh, you're up 150% right now. Nice. Look at go.
Rage.
Rage, rage.
Rage! Rage!
Rick James says, is there a chance the U.S. delegation left Islamabad? They left last Sunday. They're reportedly heading back today or tomorrow. Some mixed reports on that. Like, and these news headlines are hitting, and all you're getting is some algos hedging, and then you're getting immediate people stepping in buying. Just trending up. This, I mean, this looks like it goes higher. This right here. And my magnet is still turned on up here at 740. 74% odds. Pick your poison. What is it? 215?
Yeah, Oracle does look pretty good.
If you are getting chopped to pieces, just a reminder, code WOLF gets you the best discount at your favorite prop firm. Unless you use Apex and it's WolfX. Also, if you're new or you strolled in this afternoon, we're just hanging out here watching some charts. Not a whole lot of trading, not a whole lot of opportunities going on today, which is an important part of being a day trader. Shout out to the whole Wolf Trading crew. Wolf Trading live stream all day, every day, anytime the market's open. Powered by Leverage Shares. Go to leverageshares.com. Check out all the 2x leveraged ETFs. They probably have your favorite ticker. Corey said, I'm tired of using Code Wolf. Oh, what else do we want to debate about while this sits here? And I think actually it is going to pop to 740 right here. Kind of want to be in something. Kind of don't.
I'd longed off the pivot point.
What a field.
ASTS back at 80, bouncing off daily trend line, reclaiming the weekly. Big gap above now. SPY's back at the resistance after the buy signal. We can break and close over top of this. Looking good for that move to 708.76.
Come on, NVIDIA, take us new high of day. Corey Jenkins.
Corey.
Leroy Jenkins.
Leroy.
What a great dude! That's one of the greatest videos of all time.
Hard to debate that one.
I mean, literally.
Puts the team on his back, dough.
Where they at though?
Push it, push it. Push it for Poppy.
It said long ES at 42. I
That's
don't know
the
where it's
video.
at now.
Wow, dude. Apple is chugging.
STM is ripping. This is Citrini long idea. All right, who's ready for this?
Yeah, give me a sec. I'm coming up with 32.33, repeating, of course, percentage of survival.
Oh, it's a lot better than we usually do. All
right, chums up.
Ready, guys?
Let's do this. Leroy Jenkins.
Oh my god, he just ran in.
Stick to the plan.
Oh, Jesus. Let's go. Stick to the plan, Chubs.
Stick to the plan.
Oh, gee. Oh, fuck. Give me divine intervention. Hurry up.
Shout.
I can't cast. I can't move. Am I lagging, guys? I can't move. What the hell? I can't move. Oh my god. The eggs keep spawning. More respawning. I don't think you can cast with that shit. Oh my god. Shout.
We got it.
Get off. I got it. Pick it up.
Come on, stay down.
Oh my god.
God damn it, Leroy.
God damn it.
Leroy, you moron. Leroy.
Leroy, you moron. I'm down. Forking down. God damn it. Of survival.
This is the best part.
Oh, it's a lot better than we usually do.
All right, chums up.
Ready, guys?
Let's do this. Leroy Jenkins.
Oh my god, he just ran in.
Let's do it.
Save him.
Oh, gee, stick to the...
Thank you.
Oh my god. Greatest video. This has got to be one of the greatest videos of all time. I have literal tears coming to my eyes every time I watch that. Dude's like calculating their chance of survival and all this stuff.
Leroy.
All right, chums. I'm back. Let's do this. Leroy Jenkins. Look at that. That helped pop us up. We're going to get to that 740. 744.
Sell 49.
No, don't sell it. 744. Let's go, Brady. Pump us up.
All right, I'll slap it.
Whoa, no. Whoa, what are you doing?
Flapping by.
Thought you were doing the little California or Carolina squat thing.
By 27.
Come on, rip it.
Mr. Hawkins is back. Mr. Hawkins at the trade desk.
Jordan, there's your next banger post. Just go to a Leroy Jenkins post.
Facts.
Just take a clip from that, turn it into a trading. You know,
Yeah.
five traders saying, "Oh, we got a statistical probability of SPX closing over 7,100."
5
We probably
contracts.
want to think about this in
Leroy.
order field. Leroy Jenkins.
Not a bad idea.
It's pretty good.
That post would slap. Speaking of slap, can we slap this 744, please?
I want 55.
I want 744, 770. Yeah. It is literally that's like everyone's going through all the statistical probabilities, and then he's just like full port. Don't do this.
By 64.
Went to 741, not 744. Piece of shit. Yeah, there. Data J's got it. There you go, Jordan. Just separate the clip. It's like me before the market making a daily plan. And it's like, well, we got a 33.33 repeating survival chance. And then me 30 minutes into the market.
About to hit the ABC out of this wave 2.
Jenkins. Oh, new high on the video.
Oh.
Yeah, it's pumping.
Come on, magnet.
Jeez.
Come on, come on, come on. You dirty dog. 72.25.
I want 55. Those 101 orders are just jumping around up there. Jump around like a damn kangaroo.
Jump, jump, jump around. Dude, are you kidding me?
So,
Oh my god.
Oh,
What the fuck?
I mean, they're buying it off the 5-minute 21 spy, but it just got straight down there. The hell?
The hell was that?
What the flip?
The hell is even that?
Got it. The Iranian leadership has forced hundreds of ships toward the United States, mostly Texas and Alaska, to get their oil. Like, is that what we're reacting to right now?
All right, I'm fixing to make some food and then probably bounce out. So
Heard that. What are you eating?
I'm
You
gonna
grabbing?
make omelet, and then I got some frozen fruits. Make a little smoothie, some whey protein, peanut butter, banana.
There we go.
Did you just call me Whey?
What? Is that over my head? Whey?
Jordan got it.
I know.
Get on the way. Get pay the way.
Yeah, I can't speak. I speak gringo.
Speaker.
Right, that's it. I'm out.
All right. Peace, Brady. Have a good one, brother.
Crude just settled. Dude, these dirty bastards. AOI, I didn't see any news on this one. Didn't hear anything. There's a lot of flow on an AOI.
Ooh, ASTS is ripping.
That's a big move off of the lows.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah, there's
this morning when it was down here at 74.
there's a daily and weekly trend line.
There's also the
That
200-day.
It hits right there. There's a lot of reasons for
And it's space. Like,
support.
it wasn't even their fault. Like,
Yeah. It
from
seemed
what I
more
read,
like
it
an
was-
overreaction than anything.
Yeah, it was, from what I read, it was Blue Origin's fault. Freaking Bezos.
Like, I get it. Sympathy moved down, sure, but it just seemed a little bit more dramatic.
Where the hell's Wapender been?
Wop. Holy.
On this.
Where are those calls at now on ASTS? 410. Fuck. 415.
Ondas. Que ondas? It just feels like this is gonna dip and then just keep pushing higher. Just dip and then push higher. Just grind. Nvidia's about to make another new high. IWM's about to make a new high of day. Half your Mag 7s aren't participating. Boeing new high of day. Tesla, Meta, Broadcom do not care. They're not doing anything.
IWM about to make a new high a day.
Yep.
Rip it. Walmart's coming down. Just crashed the whole market.
Close it all. Oh. Yeah, every one of these candles still has a bottom wick on it. Like they just keep buying all these little down draws. Oh, here we go again.
No volatility.
Now what? This is crazy the way it's just like bombing lower and buying up. There's not even like any. Oh, here we go. The U.S. continued violations of the ceasefire are a major obstacle to the continuation of the diplomatic process, Iran's foreign minister tells the Pakistanis. Okay. My kids are just having a big time playing with Hot Wheels outside my door. I'm kind of jealous. Microsoft looks like it wants to break down now. Meta's rolling over. Tesla's rolling over. I'm bored. Need it to do something crazy before I can even get involved. Every time there's a big candle, just yell Leroy Jenkins.
Leroy Jenkins.
We just come right back down to VWAP. You're getting awfully close to breaking this whole 5-minute trend structure here. Now what? Now they're popping it?
Pop it.
I was watching the time and STALLS. There's been like no size filling this entire time, by the way. And Brady's book map over here, just little tiny orders all over the place. Buenas noches.
Left 3.
Oh. Yep, that's the most recent headline right there. I'm assuming the market just doesn't really care unless there's a substantial headline. NVIDIA new high of day.
The video pop it.
Microsoft basically sitting on lows. Open, closed, open, closed, open, closed. All right, chums, let's go. Leroy Jenkins.
AMD starting to get a candle.
Big old candle on NVIDIA. Oh,
Just a
NVIDIA
little
about to fill the
poppy on
gap.
the low.
This is an NVIDIA candle. Okay, okay. I see you, girl. Is anything else going to pop with? Oh, Broadcom's popping too. SMH as a whole popping, and the rest of the market not hanging out. John Deere getting a pop, okay. Amazon, kinda. I guarantee you, if a bunch of people went Leroy Jenkins today and just blew up accounts, get chopped to absolute pieces.
Leroy Jenkins.
I'm sure some people are doing okay today, for sure. But I bet a lot more are not. Honestly, Bionic's probably a good thing to do. I don't even know if it's a good thing to do today, honestly, but once you've made your own money, just kind of take your head away from it, trade something else. I don't know. Do you usually trade futures, or you trade options, or oh no, if you haven't done futures, definitely grab one of those prop firms. Try it out there and get used to it there. Do not try to learn futures with your own money. Unless you're a very experienced trader. VIX 9% up, SPY down 0.25%. Classic. Come on, just pop it. Pop it, pop it, pop it. Pop, lock, and drop it. Pop, lock, and drop it. Toot that thing up, mommy. Once you pop, lock, drop it. Look at Jordan. Just dipping out. Loser. I only say that because I know he took his headphones off. Chat, you guys asleep? I bet it. Is it a beautiful day outside? Oh, no, it's not. It rained during the day here. Something's definitely wrong. $76 and partly cloudy now. Come on, hit 44. 4, 4. 7, 4, 4. It went to 7, 4, 3. Actually, just blast through that and go to 70. Some Hot Wheel cars just came under my door. Who, me? Nothing. Just hanging around. Is Bitcoin about to... I don't know. Bitcoin actually looks like it's reacting decently. But it's...
IWM is about to hit previous day high. Ripping.
Ripping lot of...
Maybe it can lead SPY and Qs to the promised land.
IWM just traversing an entire range. Oh, we finally hit 44. Wow, we hit it on MNQ at least. Well, it's basically your 25% IB retracement playing out. Does anyone know why PPC at these levels was so much chicken being eaten every day? Probably because fertilizer prices and feed prices are through the roof right now. There you go. Tyson Foods is still looking good. Great Arkansas company. Time to close longs. This is your higher probability retracement point, but look at this. Look at this trend until the trend breaks. Like, I mean, just trim and trowel. I just looked over. Me and Casey are both just leaned back doing the same thing with our hands. That was so, dude, I just like leaned back and relaxed. I like looked over at the camera or the like where your stuff is on Restream, and I was like, we're doing the exact same move right now.
I'm just waiting to see. There's volume coming in right now. QQQ is getting some volume. Is there volume behind SPY? Nothing too crazy, but Q's getting volume the last 10 minutes. I'm just waiting to see if we start actually moving, doing something. IWM's just on a tear though. It's 8 cents away from previous day high. There's nothing crazy coming in on the flow.
Today's been so slow, I feel like I need a beer. But I could say that every day, I guess. Today was wild, I need a beer. Today was slow, I need a beer. You know, just pretty much always work.
I drive around the golf cart in the neighborhood with the kids, and I feel like, every time I have one of these, I feel like people think that I'm drinking a beer. Yeah.
Dude, I tried one of those.
They can't see it from far away.
My brain just could not deal with it.
No?
No, dude, it's like something about like putting a can to your mouth and then just regular water. I don't know. I don't know.
I like the teas the best.
So I tried the like cola version and it was terrible.
No, yeah, the cola one's not good. The only one that I'll drink that tastes like a soda is the Dr. Death. Because it just tastes like a Dr. Pepper that was sitting in ice outside and then got watered down a little bit. Like that's the only one. The cola one's
the cola one.
disgusting.
It tasted like you took a diet Pepsi and added half water.
Yeah.
And,
That one's even worse.
And left it open for no carbonate. It was the worst thing I've ever tried.
No, the teas, they have a regular sweet tea one, just their Grim Leafer. That one is the Grim Leafer. Yeah.
Good
and
name.
Then the half and half, it was called the Armless Palmer, but now I think it's called the Dead Billionaire.
I tried this one. This was the one I liked, the mango tea.
So the mango tea, the Rest in Peach, which is the peach tea. The best one, in my opinion, is the Blueberry Buzzsaw. It is a blueberry tea. Oh my God, that's so good. I kill that Blueberry Buzzsaw every time. That's probably my favorite liquid death drink. There's literally nothing in these things either.
This indicator is the IV indicator. It's just the initial balance. And then you have the retracement levels and you have the extensions. And you hit the outer view up band, you hit the 25% retracement. Hey, what are y'all doing to my daughter? Iran will monitor the U.S.'s behavior and take the appropriate decision to protect its interests and national security. Okay. The illegal behavior and contradictory positions of the U.S. are incompatible with diplomacy. Wow, the AEHR is up over 1,000% in the last year. PDT officially ends on June 4th. Brokers have until October of 2027 to implement it. Interesting. Trades is looking to buy more monitors from Mac. Looks like limited monitors are compatible. Almost every monitor is compatible with Mac. If you want it to be easy, like you could look for some USB-C monitors, so you can just, you don't have to deal with like a port system or whatever. But you can buy like a little docking system or whatever. And depending on which Mac you have, I mean, you need to look, but pretty much every Mac will run at least, if it's a laptop, most of them will run at least 2 external displays, and some will run, 3 to 4. If you have like a Mac Studio like KC has, I think you can run up to 4 without any issues.
Yeah, mine, I think I can do 5 monitors is the max. Here, I'm gonna read this out for you real quick. These are the current ones that I have. Who was it? A-Trades. Monitors, if you're looking for, I don't know what size monitors you're looking for, but like normal, I would say normal, nothing too crazy huge like this freaking 49 or 60-inch curve monitor, but Alienware. So the Alienware 27-inch gaming monitor, if you go to Best Buy right now, Dell, you can go to their website as well. They sell them. They're around $250 a piece. Not bad. I got mine on sale. They were just underneath $200 a piece. I think I paid like $189 for each one of these monitors, and those are the 3 monitors I have hooked up right now, connected to my Mac, and I have had 0 issues. They are literally plug and play. Very, very simple and easy to use.
Yeah, those Alienware ones are good. LG makes some good ones. Samsung. Another one is MSI actually makes some really good curved monitors, like 34-inch.
I just got 3 27 inches right next to each other. Just boom, boom, boom. AMD, by the way, off that low, is still ripping up. Looking really good.
Yeah, it's all of SMH is moving. Look at Broadcom. Nice bounce, double bottom kind of bounce. And obviously NVIDIA's up here. Just in a red candle and made a little bit higher high. Get to that little gap fill. Good God.
Somebody help that baby. Bro, look at Dell on the daily. Gosh.
What is Trump? Oh, Trump's with the war veteran. Okay.
Rocket Lab popping up a little bit. Marvell still going. Briefly new highs. I don't know. We're sitting right in the chop zone. IWM just hit previous day high. I mean, if you're looking to short IWM for whatever reason today, that's your spot.
I'm just staying here muted because my baby is being tortured or something. Sounds like she took a hot wood to the face. Microsoft Meta are still fading. Yeah, look, Meta's about to break down. That was probably all you're going to get right there. And you just go back to VWAP for power hour.
Take some IWMs for Friday, 275s.
Oh. I just wonder if SPX just comes right back to that level it hung out at all morning. 7,100. Should I turn the magnet off, guys? You want it to go back down, or we want it to just keep floating? I don't know. All I see is continued. I keep clicking the wrong button.
Chop.
Just grind higher. It's just trending. Just keep on keeping on. Move the magnet higher. Oh,
They're trying to print a 5-minute buy on SPY and Qs off the retest.
right here. Which you guys want this 770?
1738.
Hey, I'm
Look
like,
at
hey, what's up? Hello.
Look at that channel. Just straight grind.
Yeah. True. Yeah, look. I just drew a regression channel. It's just honestly, I probably should move it to like right here. When did the chop actually start? Right here. Yeah, there you go. I'm conflicted on what to think about Bitcoin right here. Psychedelic drug headline from the White House.
Again? They said they
Again?
passed something last week.
He signed. I don't know. They put out a whole article just now. I think you could short it, honestly. Just based off of IB retracement. Back to
I am a little
716 and then 700. Just take it back to the VWAP. Wap, 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 wap. I feel like I have way better things to do with my life.
And watch this price act.
And I don't, the sad thing is I don't. Oh, played Geo. Yeah, we played GeoGuessr on Friday for the first time in a while. I don't know. At least I'm hanging out with all you guys.
Ooh, Costco just dipped.
What's up, Rooster?
Boeing new high.
Give us the tea.
Make it sweet.
Yeah, cold, sweet, with some ice.
Cold sweet tea. Marvell new high. HIM's still up 9.5%.
Oh, I kind of want to just short right now.
Join the dark side.
All right.
Just for a good time, not a long time. You know,
All these stocks hit new 52-week highs at some point today. It's a long list. AMD, Marvell, Avis, Western Digital, Vertiv, Dell, Texas Instruments, Cisco.
oh my God. Meta Ugh.
That's why I wanted to short, because I was like, wait a second, there's like,
Dang.
I mean, Microsoft's just holding in the same spot here, but
Just look at those hourly candles on Meta. The last, 3 hours? Every single hourly candle on Meta. Just look at all of the wicks.
here's the 30-minute.
30-minute, yeah, a little bit like choppier, but go to the 1 hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, like all of those upper wicks, they just pushed it straight back down, down, down. That 15-minute printed a sell signal right up there. But
Down, down,
I
and
mean-
nearly around.
what's your daily look like? Daily's back testing an area of support at 667, 670,
Sugar, we're going down swinging.
67. Oh no, I'm probably gonna jump off here in a few.
Like, part of me is like, it's kind of nice that we didn't just have craziness today. Most of me is just like bored.
HPE, oh yeah, ripping.
Do you think Jason and Lisa talk a lot on the phone? Who's Jason and Lisa? Lisa Sue. Oh, Casey, I watched the Ronaldinho documentary last night on Netflix. It's pretty good.
Yeah?
Brought back a lot of memory, but it, that was the first player I really like just straight up followed. So
Oh yeah, I think everybody did. I mean,
well, it depends like how old you are though, and like if you were into soccer, because a lot of people it was like Cristiano and Messi.
no,
Ronaldinho
Cristiano
was,
Ronaldo
like,
and Messi
before
came
that.
after.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Well, like it depends how old you are, because if you were, 10 or whatever,
Yeah.
like I was when Ronaldinho was like first person onto the scene. 10 or I think I was 12, somewhere in there. I don't know. I had his cleats at one point. That was the R10s, Nike Tiempos.
Oh yeah.
Fun fact: he actually came and played here in my city. At the end of his career.
What y'all know about Roberto Carlos?
Dude, Roberto Carlos. Is that 2002 and 2006 Brazil? 2002 they won. 2006 is probably one of the best teams ever assembled that didn't win. I mean, I watched like Manchester United was the first like that I really followed, because like in the late 90s they were like the only soccer team that they would ever put on TV. That's how I started watching them. And then Ronaldinho like blew up.
Manchester United for me. We're just near the same freaking realm of the whole thing for soccer. For me, my first team that I just as a kid started rooting for and everything, Manchester United shirts, stickers, just theme, everything, Manchester United, was because of David Beckham. Like David Beckham and Manchester United was the best thing, because when I was a kid, when we had free kicks, I was the free kick taker.
Oh yeah.
And so like David Beckham was just like one of my, soccer guys to look up to at the time. So that's the reason why I started falling in love and rooting for Manchester United, was just because of that.
Well, you had Beckham and so like they put him on TV all the time. Obviously he was a superstar, all this stuff. And then you had Rooney
Wayne
in,
Rooney.
and then you had young Cristiano like jumpstart his career.
Yeah.
There were some good games yesterday. The Arsenal Man City game was really good. The Liverpool Everton game was pretty good. Poor Everton.
Nobody in my house could sit down and watch a soccer game other than me. They'd be like, "This is boring." God.
Dude, that's how my family is now. My dad could like watch some with me at different points. But my dad's similar to me. Like no matter what the sport is, if it's played at a high level,
Yeah.
rivalry game, whatever it is, you can pretty much watch it.
Yeah.
He's not a big NBA guy, but outside of that,
Neither is my father. My father likes watching. He doesn't. I mean, he'll watch a little bit of NFL, but he likes college basketball and football almost more
yeah,
than professional. And then for soccer, he just loves watching. I mean, just about everything. But his favorite, honestly, he likes watching the women's over the men's for like the World Cup and for Team USA. He loves watching them
That's a
versus
hot
the men's
take.
team.
I respect it. That's a hot take, dude. I cannot. Women's
Not
soccer is
anymore.
infuriating
Not.
to me.
I wouldn't say now.
No, I mean like 15, 20 years ago when they just destroyed everyone.
Yeah.
It was fun to just watch how dominant they were. And then that one Brazilian chick came and just wrecked it all.
Who, Marta?
Yeah, Marta.
Marta? Yeah. I knew
She was
exactly
sick.
who you're talking about. It's like you said that. Freaking. She was just that was a beast of a woman soccer player right there. Just. Oh. She was insane.
She was a step faster
Yeah.
than everyone on the field. She was quicker with her feet than everyone on the field. And she had good skill and she understood the game. Dude, I didn't realize I was watching that
aggressive.
Ronaldinho thing. I didn't realize how much he did after he went back to Brazil, like how many different teams he played for and all this. I forgot about a lot of that stuff. I also forgot about him going starting out at PSG. Dude, I remember I used to play FIFA a lot on Xbox way back in the day, and we'd play so much we knew who all the players were from all the different teams just from playing FIFA, knew their rosters. And then we'd watch the Champions League games and stuff and be like, "Oh, Shevchenko, we play with him all the time."
What y'all know about playing FIFA on a GameCube?
Short in queue here. It's a tough call, but it's not a bad risk reward, but you are fighting trend. You're still in this just same channel to the upside. It hasn't broken. You did complete the high probability retrace. You did make it to the midpoint, so you don't really have that to go off of, but Nvidia's making a new high. That's another thing to consider. It's hard for NQ to pull back too much when the bellwether stock is making new highs on the day. I don't see anything just wanting to fall apart either. I would like SPX to come down about 6 points back to that 7,100 that it hung out at all day.
I mean, Walmart's about to go red. Just close the market. Costco's still selling. New low day. Shopify is interesting on the daily, very strong, but it's approaching a big area of resistance near that 135. So I do have an alert set to look for shorts up there at 135 on Shopify. Was Valdi working on TradingView again?
It was funky this morning.
Oh, it's all. Oh, what the heck is wrong with that chart? Let's see.
Baldy Q looked a little bit cleaner.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, it's been coming down the last hour. Baldy Q just hit the zero line a little bit. And VIX is right at 19. Your tick's starting to come down. We're breaking a little bit of structure here, a little trend line, almost on SPY, but I mean, 5 minute 21 right there. We'll see.
You got Microsoft popping off the lows. Nvidia's just made a new high. Meta doing nothing. You just got a lot of nothing. This is kind of what I was talking about earlier when I said I don't expect it to just fall apart. I expect there to just be this like somewhat of a bid under the market.
Drop that thing.
I mean, oil's slowly fading. XLE is slowly fading. Banks are sideways. XLK's been moving up all afternoon. SMH still pretty strong. IGV up 1.2% today.
Oh.
We got a heck of a channel here. How long has this been going on? This was like this channel basically set up at 11:35. It's 3:20.
At least that looks more constructive than SPY. Yes. SPY is that freaking channel be even more sideways than slanted. Maybe not.
Basically the same.
Yeah.
Look at that.
That's so dumb. JBL calls coming in 390 strike for 515 2026. They bought them at the ask at $2. $200,000 worth just came in on those calls. Come on, SPY. Break this little.
Right on the trend line.
Yep. Do something crazy.
Just wanted to like go down the view up. $400 puts on car volume over 2,000 of those buys or sells.
Two 400 puts on car.
What expiration?
Did those come in today?
Or are you just looking at open interest?
Oh, I see them right here. They're for 515 expiration. I see the flow. I'd imagine. I'll wait for you to respond though. If you're looking at 400s for 515. Today's for this week expiration. Okay, hold on, because these were for 515. That was the most recent ones. 400 for 424. All right. Let me see. I don't see too much flow on those. For 424 expiration.
UK, I'm with you on this right here. And avoiding the times like this where you just feel like you got to be in a position, just slowing down, save you so much trouble. Hey, the trend's trying to break. Uh-oh.
Yay.
Uh-oh. We touched the 21. Yay.
Bust it down. Bust it down.
Just IB low.
Shot I got low and low and low and low.
Those 20-point trades keep at, do they?
Woo!
All of your levels are horizontal, Rooster. How would you scalp a trend? I'm confused. Just messing with you, buddy. Oh. We've broken the range.
Break it.
The range has broken.
Oh, dude, I'm up so fat right now in these IWM puts. Oh my god, they are ripping. Oh,
How much you up? 6%? You gonna take a trim?
not even.
6%. Oh, you didn't get your 6% trim yet?
Nope, not yet.
Oh, damn.
No, not yet. I need more. AJ's already out half, but I can't even take my first trim yet.
Yeah.
Let's see if it can break a 5-minute 21. Start really moving. Shorty had them apple box. Should have went short RTY, but I can't because I locked my trade with 8. Shorty had those apple bottom jeans, the boots with the fur. She had the whole club
Looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shorty got low.
baggy sweatpants and the Reebok with the straps.
Jordan Lee, your party is waiting for you at customer service. Jordan Lee.
Dude, the market hasn't even moved since I left.
Nope.
Oh, dude. Shout out to the people that just like
Dude,
trade till 12, 11, and split for the day. It's the move, man.
Shout out to the people that just sit here and hang out with us while we're bored and watching. And shout out to Rooster just taking 20-point scalps everywhere, telling you after the fact.
Charts like this take years off my life, bro. Swear.
There we go. Bionic. Okay.
Oh, dude, I pulled a gray hair out the other day, and another one's already growing back right over here on the side of my head.
2 in there.
Dude, yeah.
I got a couple of sneaking in the back of my beard over here.
I just turned 30 and just everything just goes to shit. 5-minute 21 IWM. Be there.
Throw a little lower lipper in here.
Can it break?
Dude, every time I put one of these in, I feel like I have a country accent that just comes out. I don't know what it is. I think it's just a way to adjust my
part
jaw.
of it. Yeah.
All of a sudden, I start talking like all my cousins.
Reaching out. Oh yeah, Oscar Pivoty poppin'. Just filled the daily gap, I think. Low 1650, high 1652. Yeah.
You know, if you start losing your hair, you don't have to worry about gray hairs anymore. Yeah, chestnut checkers. Are we gonna hold the 21?
Ooh. PayPal. Ooh, Abby, let's go. Yes.
Bruh, NVIDIA, new high
Do it.
again.
Give me full gap fill. Full gap fill coming. Let's go.
On which one?
PayPal.
Oh, Pain Pal?
Nobody likes to PayPal, but she wants that full gap fill, baby.
Fuck, we're gonna get a headline here soon.
Yeah, I'm about to close my iDubbbz and bounce.
Oh, Pain Pal.
I
Almost
know
a
it.
gap. Almost a Gapski.
Yeah, let me go check my IRA. Let's go. Poppin'. Papa dockin'.
TTD. Squeezy Wheezy. Who is buying
PayPal, this guy.
$1 Tesla calls for earnings?
What?
Why wouldn't you just? You literally would be better off taking that $1 and just next time you go to the John, you'll pop a little squat, drop the kids off at the pool, take the Browns to the Super Bowl. Just wipe yourself with that $1, throw it in the trash. It'd be better spent.
Who took Tesla calls for earnings for $1?
I was just reading what Banana said here.
Oh, well, I mean, that makes sense.
No, this Banana.
It's
good
any
banana.
of them. Doesn't matter.
No, this is the good Banana.
In my opinion, any money put into that trade, it's not even because of the fact, like, it's like, yeah, slash for zero for earnings. Like, no, like, that is legit. Like,
It's not gonna work.
like it's nothing's gonna happen to that trade.
It's not gonna work.
Like, at all.
Whatever thought you had of it working, it's not gonna work.
Yeah. Like, going far
I
out
hate
of the
to
money,
be that,
like,
that guy, but it's just
Yeah.
it's not gonna
like,
gonna happen.
I'm all
it's not gonna
for
work.
it. Hey, you
It's
want to go
not going
far?
to happen.
You want to go far out of the money a little bit? Buy some cheap lottos that cost $50-$60, and maybe they hit $400 or $500 the next day. Fantastic. But when you go far out of the money like that and you buy them for $1, fucking telling you right now, that's like, it's almost a given that is just, it's not. It's just not. Oh, we're coming down a little bit, iDubbbz. Hold on. Ah!
We just
It's just
back
not
to
gonna
the
happen.
trend line and rejected.
Oh, hell yeah, dude. I'm about to start taking some trims. I'm over 6%.
SPX, come on
Fucking
down.
go.
2 more points. Well, watch SPX come 2 more points lower and just hold.
I am so bored.
Oh, wait.
Ooh. Oh, filled. Hey,
Beyond
they
Meat.
filled me. What?
Oh, they're pumping Beyond Meat to try to get it in compliance with NASDAQ again. Is that what they're doing? Oh, it hadn't been that long. Fake meat. Like some AI meat.
Hey, what a sniper little rejection though on RTY right up there, previous day high.
Yeah.
Low risk. That's what I said all day. If you're waiting for one spot to go short on IWM and RTY, it was like right there.
Ooh, let me guess. Was it right here at previous session high with Evening Star?
You know what? I was in this before that Evening Star even formed, but now I just tripled my size because of that.
Yeah.
That's crazy. That's crazy work right there.
Do something crazy. NVIDIA, new high of day again.
I do have a stop at entry because market's going to close in like 24 minutes. And this is meant to be a day trade. I don't plan on swinging this at all. Shopify 135. Ooh. Bum, bum. Amazon 252.5 call repeater coming in for Wednesday.
Wait, is what you call it, bro? Fast. Drop some dudes off at the lake.
Say he did call it. I scalped it and jumped out too soon. That's all good. Yeah.
I had a buddy one time. He said, "Hold on, I gotta go sacrifice to the porcelain gods." I'm like, oh God. I like that one.
That's a good one. I've never heard that.
Yeah, I remember you said that. We're gonna make a sacrifice to the porcelain gods. I just cracked up.
Landon Donovan? No, Landon Donovan was an OG player for me when I was growing up as a kid. 100%.
Yeah, he was.
Hell yeah.
Where did he play? At Fulham or somewhere?
Yeah, he was one of the best.
Or Everton. It was Everton, wasn't it? I don't know. I think he coaches over there somewhere. It was Everton. He went to Leverkusen, and then he went to Everton, but it was on a loan.
Leverkusen.
Bayer Leverkusen.
Dude, tell me not to get Shopify puts between 135 and 136.50. I mean, the daily looks like it just wants to go. But the daily squeeze is already fired, and now it's back at the resistance.
I'll be honest, I've never watched an MLS game and like had a good experience. It's just not good.
Oh, Clint Dempsey? Oh, we throwing it back?
Oh yeah, big Clint Dempsey guy.
Dude, that was the squad.
Dempsey's the one that played for Fulham. That's where I got confused there. From Nacogdoches, Texas. Or he was like 15 or something, and his parents moved to DFW so that he could play higher level soccer. I always used to look at my dad like, "Dad, why can't we move to somewhere with more soccer?"
Let me pull up the roster real quick that I grew up with. All right, we're gonna go mid 2000s real quick. So obviously, you got Dempsey, right? And you got Landon Donovan. You got Tim Howard.
Dude,
right,
Guzan was
you've got-
better than Howard, by the way. Sorry.
Huh?
Dude,
What'd
Brad
you say?
Guzan was better than Tim Howard. It always used
Oh,
to
yeah.
frustrate me how bad Tim Howard was.
Yeah. Anyone else remember Brian McBride?
Of course.
Right? You know who I had. Let me make sure I spell his name right. I'm pretty sure his name was Freddie Abu or Freddie Adu.
I do.
Adu
Yeah.
from DC United.
Yeah, he was like a
He
wonder
was-
kid. He was like 14 or 15 when he made his debut or something like that.
Yeah, yep,
Everybody
for
said he was the
DC
next big
United.
thing, and he fizzled out so hard.
Came into the MLS. He was from Ghana, I believe. He was from Ghana, came to America, played for DC United. Like, that whole thing, that was...
Dude, I remember a lot of those, like the U.S. guys from like 2006, 2010, when they were actually fun to watch. Eddie Johnson, Bobby Convey,
Mm-hmm.
Negra, DeMarcus Beasley. You remember DeMarcus Beasley?
Oh, Carlos
Right back.
Bocanegra. Yeah. I forgot about that one.
Beasley. Who else?
Beasley was good. What was that, like 2000? Like, yeah, mid 2000s, like 5 and 6.
Early 2000, yeah, like 2002, 2006.
Yeah.
Holden. Onyewu. Do you remember Onyewu? He was a defender.
Onyewu. Oh,
2010. This is like South Africa World Cup 2010.
yeah. First name is like how you pronounce
Oguchi,
Oguchi?
I think it was Oguchi.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was awesome. There was a guy named Hercules.
Hercules.
He was like I think his parents were Mexican, but he played for the US. Hercules Gomez or something. And then what was 2014? 2014 was Brazil World Cup. That was Josie Altidore really got kicked off in that one.
Altidore, yeah.
Matt Beasler, John Brooks, Jeff Cameron. These are like the starters. I'm not saying these guys are good. Jermaine Jones. Wondolowski. Remember Wondolowski? DeAndre Yedlin. Yeah, he usually looked like a cornerback. Like he should have played football instead. He just run people over. He was so fast though.
Like I'm trying to think. Like, oh man, what he was from France, and guy, remember he got the red card for headbutting the dude in the chest.
Zidane.
Yeah.
Zinedine Zidane,
whatever. Yeah,
that was one of the craziest World Cup finals ever.
Yeah, I love watching him play. I mean, Zlatan Ibrahimovic.
Oh yeah, dude. So, me and my friend, growing up, like when we were in high school, we were both big into soccer or whatever, and we actually got a summer job together, and like it was like at a pizza place, but every day you got like a styrofoam cup for like a drink, like Coke or whatever, while you were working, and you had to put your name on it, and we'd put a different soccer name on there every day. And, like in my phone to this day, his name in my phone is Zlatan Ibrahimovic. And I think I'm Ruud van Nistelrooy in his phone. To this day. And that was like, when we first got our phone, like 2010, 2012, back like probably like when iPhones first came around.
We're pulling back a little bit.
2009.
Yeah, I mean, I like watching.
He headbutted. Who was it? It was the Italian guy.
Yeah, I was just trying to think of all the Italy players around that time.
Italy had a squad back then.
Italy and Spain. Oh my god, Spain was like.
Spain had a squad too.
Dude, Spain was probably one of the best freaking squads in the mid 2000s. Absolutely one of the best. You had Silva, you had Torres. I mean, like that entire freaking squad.
Oh yeah. Well, they had
Sergio Ramos.
Real Madrid and Barcelona were both really good then, and they had a lot of Spanish players on both. Good play to get, dude. PK,
dude, the best.
Carlos Puyol.
One of the absolute freaking best times of soccer.
It is crazy how hard like Italian soccer fell off, because all those Italian teams were crazy good back then, like early 2000s. They were crazy good. Italy's team was so good, and they literally have not even qualified the last 3 World Cups. Unless Iran drops out and they play this like 3-team playoff, they're going to miss the 3rd World Cup in a row. I'm just hoping we can like trail back down to VWAP here. That's all I'm hoping for. But SPX is sitting on the level, so. And you said IB low.
Come on. Flush this thing down real quick. 5-minute candles before MOC comes in. Come on. You can do it. Put your back into it. Don't hold here and wait for MOC. Do it before it.
Oh my God, my kids. You know, and the worst thing about my kids driving me crazy is they're driving my wife crazy, so she's just going to be in a bad mood too.
Isn't that the worst?
You're like, why am I getting punished for what the kids did?
God, there's nothing worse than watching this price action and then your kids are freaking screaming, hollering, not listening to anybody, wrecking shit. And
you make a bad decision on a trade real fast. The kids screaming.
Yeah. You can't focus and you leave work and you got to go deal with it. She's been doing it for hours, so she's pissed. You're just like, everyone go the fuck to sleep. We're going to try again tomorrow.
Yeah. just in this day. It's like 7 o'clock. It's 45. All right, everyone's going to bed.
Dude, that's what time we actually start.
We try to start getting ready for bed around then. Like,
dude, 6:30, 7 o'clock is bath time. Everyone's in bed by 7:15, 7:30. And twins are knocked out usually by around that 7:30 time. I hang out with Everly until about 8. And then that's it. We don't play around. Get these kids to sleep. When do they wake up? They all sleep for about 12 hours. So they don't wake up. They wake up around 7, like 7:30 the next morning, but they all just kind of chill in their bed, just talking, doing whatever. My son actually opens up the gate to his floor bed, but he knows not to leave, and he just sits there and waits. Or he'll put his feet out and like turn around and lay his head back onto the mattress, but he's half in, half out, and he'll just wait. Everly gets out of bed, makes her bed, opens up the windows, gets her clothes picked out, and then just hangs out like in her room for a little bit. But I mean,
my kids wake up and they just, whichever one wakes up first just comes downstairs and just sits on the couch until everyone else wakes up.
Dude, my kids have been on the same routine since they were 3 months old, and we make sure 11 to 12 hours of sleep every single night.
Dude, the routine is so important.
Yeah.
Like keeping their bedtime the same, even on weekends and stuff. Like
dude,
when we were able to do that a lot easier with less kids.
Mm-hmm.
When it was just like 1 or 2, it's so much easier. Now that we're outnumbered, oof.
Yeah, that's the hardest, man. Is when you get outnumbered, kids to parents, and they're at the young age where they don't understand what life is and how this shit works, and you still have to micromanage everything that they do. Like, it really puts a damper on a lot of things that you can go out and do.
I have a 5-year-old, and half of our success rate depends on if a 5-year-old is able to help us out or be self-sufficient. So that's a lot to hinge on a 5-year-old. MOC is about to come out.
I know, and we're not breaking down. I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna get this pulled up.
Here it comes.
There's a jumpy candle on Q's.
Yeah.
Is that 5-minute candle real?
Netflix is a buy side. There's no big names on this. Not a single Mag 7 name.
I sat here for a whole another hour just for nothing to fucking happen. Come on, Q's. IWM, dump this thing.
I just wanted to come down to VWAP.
Netflix, you said, was a buy on MOC? Come on, baby. Come on. Bring it down. Break it. Come down, Q's. Come down, IWM. Break 277. Q's going to move down to, what, 645. 65. Come on, baby. Come on. Do something crazy. Do something crazy.
Now we're just sitting on orb low and IB low right now. Nvidia's still at the highs. Oh, I'm just glad I didn't try to fight this 27 times. Yeah, this is look, days like today, Ben. This is what it's all about.
Oh shit! PayPal. Oh, let's go. Oh, IWM. Come on, baby. You got IWM coming down a little bit. You got PayPal like full on ripper mode.
Come on, go to VWAP.
Freaking break this spot right here. Gosh dang. Why are they just holding this right here? Come on. About 7.5 minutes left, baby. Bust it down, Tatiana. Yeah.
King face. That was funny. LSU is tiny, microscopic.
Gosh dang it. Well. Come on. 277 break, baby. You can do it. Do something for the small account here. APP $600 calls coming in.
Better late than never.
Oh, I know that voice.
What's up?
What's up, Will?
Oh, not much. These I had to do one more Iron Condor tranche a couple hours ago. And that worked out beautifully.
You doing Iron Condors on SPX?
Yeah, I did 4 of them today.
Are you getting good premium for them?
Pretty deep. I went a little tighter. You know, I
was gonna say, do you have to do closer strikes than usual?
I did the 50. I did 71 55s, and I sold the the 70 60s.
Oh,
Those are
that's yeah.
so
Those
like
are good
50
strikes. Looking at the chart, hell yeah.
like $50 out of the money. You know what I mean? Roughly.
No, what was the premium initially on those?
Let me go back and look.
Yeah, those are pretty good strikes to get into.
Let's sell the original batch for.
There's no earnings tonight that interest me at all, but tomorrow there will be several.
The original one I sold, it was at 225.
Nice.
2.25 was the premium.
I've been wanting to start getting some more. I'm just tired of having a headline every 1 hour.
I know. I got ran over the last week or so, but I didn't do too many. But some of the longer term ones I had are, I just scrambled to get out of some of them. But I just sold puts to try to offset some of my longer dated stuff. But got a bunch of green ones. Sold some call spreads for the week.
Look at that 7,100 back test. Bounce.
Yeah, it's been just pretty dead for the rest of the day. I mean, since 11:30, we got a little premium on some of those headlines when I sold them. Like right when I jumped off with Ryan, I did a couple, and then I did one more after that, and then we went nowhere. They collapsed.
Baby, you're all that I want. Ooh. NVIDIA new high?
Wait, I can trade my iDubbbz 15 minutes after close.
Tell you what, the Russell's been hot all day.
I took my first trade on it, and it was the rejection at previous day high, and just scalped it down a little bit here into the close. Wanted to see more, but it had so much relative strength. It was incredible over spine Qs.
NVIDIA very strong all day here. Really just slow grind.
Look at them running it.
The APP $600 calls that came in are for May 1st, 2026. Within the last 10-15 minutes.
1 minute remaining in the final period. 1 minute remaining.
They were buying them between 150 and 190, about $500,000 so far.
I mean, I want to buy some other stuff that's been beat up, and I eventually want to get really short. Oh my God! No way! Car is now $608.
Dude, Car is on its own.
What?
I don't know.
They're
like
squeezing all
500
these
this morning.
They're squeezing all these things. Car, they're squeezing. Look, Beyond Meat's up 40% today.
Oh my gosh!
Hey,
it was Car was 476. It's 600. It's up another 23%. That is going to be when that thing cracks. It's going to be of biblical proportions to the downside.
Remember SMCI when it went on its crazy run?
Yeah. Yeah, SMCI. Well, I think SMCI went from was 30 to 100 something, 110 or whatever.
Ding, 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 ding.
Wow. I mean, are the insiders of
Are they not selling everything they own? Is that what you're about to say?
Yeah, correct. As a corporate member of Car, can you start selling stock right now?
They probably already did. The filing hadn't gone through.
Yeah. What's their market cap at this point? It's gone from 100 to 600, so it's sixfold. Let me see.
21 billion. I think it was 5.
21.5 billion. It's absurd. 23% just today.
Wow. All right. Well, No earnings that I'm interested in today. We have stock picks for the week later.
That should have been an interesting one. I got a little hurt today.
You had a really good week, Will.
Yeah.
12, your second place. Chris Patel, first place.
Yeah, I got hurt on oil ramping up today. Kind of hurt my SCO a little bit. Down 5% today. Didn't help.
Who is third place is Ben, Story Trading. Oh, Jordan, we didn't get Jordan's picks this week.
Let's see. Maybe just come back to this. Go ahead.
Okay, no, nothing.
I was just looking at ES and I'm looking at this trend line. Maybe ES, if it comes back to like 7,000, like another 150 points down would be a good spot. Trend line, 9 period, previous highs, like that's all in that neighborhood.
But how in the world do you get back there?
I don't know. Because every day is
like tomorrow you probably push up here and then you push down here and then you do this and then you do this again, then you do this, and finally all this catches up.
Yeah. It's crazy. I don't know. You could get some, maybe next week we get some movement on earnings. I guess that's the.
I bet we could dip down to fill this one gap here and get bought right back up here and just do this until the 9 catches us.
Yeah, all right. I did the other ones. I did put on some weekly spreads just out till Friday, to see if I can capture some premium for the week.
All right, guys, I'm headed out.
Peace out.
Yeah. Later.
Sat here for a lot longer than I needed to, but we always have fun. So later, guys. I'll catch you tomorrow.
Later, Casey.
Later, Casey.
Later.
See you tomorrow, boys.
See you, Frankie.
See you, Frank.
Yeah. Yeah, your 9 EMA is still under. It's at 69.60 on SPX. That's crazy. It's even
those
further down on QQQ.
The weekly bars on the S&P like just negated the entire down move so aggressively. Like in last week's weekly bar was just ridiculous.
I like how this weekly bar engulfed all of these.
Yeah.
all the ones before it.
Yeah, that's
That's part of my day. Turn off the spotlights.
yeah, the lights, they get so bright. Give you a headache.
For real.
Stocks on Spaces. Is that the next what do we got?
There's stocks on Spaces going on, and we have stock picks. That's why I was just looking. Best pick of the week, RKLX. 2x Rocket Lab Ariel.
Holy
but
smokes, yeah, that was
his other pick was short car.
oh god. That's not good.
72% down.
Dude, that thing is ridiculous.
MSFU and TQQQ were the 2 picks that won it for Chris.
I was gonna do MSFU and then I switched to Service Now because I like that one too.
SCO. NOWL was up 19.77.
Yeah, I like that one. Software
That was
names.
second best pick of the week. Third best pick was at MSFU. Well, SanDisk was actually red over the last week.
Yeah, the memory names went sideways. Like Micron, kind of back to all-time highs and then backed off. Western Dig, that made new highs.
Micron bounced off the daily 9 today. Let's see.
Seagate.
Cisco, is that a new all-time high today? Okay. I need
Well, that-
IBM to get back in gear. but I
That
like
Micron
Cisco.
was a great short at 470, by the way. Look at that thing. That thing pulled all the way back to the 9 too, like 50, 60 bucks or 40 bucks. What is that?
Hims is running. They get to sell peptides. They may do pretty well. Dell broke 200. Oh yeah, buddy. Rolling
Dude,
like a
Dell's
big shot.
out of control. I was about to buy a new Dell yesterday.
I like Dell. I always
gotta-
have, but I've spent
I
so
gotta-
much money with them.
I got a XPS laptop, but I want to get a new one.
Dude, you're getting a Dell.
I've had so many Dells over the years. I've had a lot.
What earnings are happening? The only, like, I use 10 billion plus filter. AGNC Investment Corp and STLD Steel Dynamics are the only two earnings that I have on my list today. Now, tomorrow morning, you're going to get UNH, you're going to get GE, Raytheon, 3M, is that DR Horton, Northrop Grumman,
Northrop Grumman.
Halliburton, Equifax, Tractor Supply.
TSC.
Tractor Supply. That's where I used to buy my dog food. Tomorrow after the close, ISRG, Intuitive Surgical, IBKR, UAL, Capital One, Chubb.
I think Cap One will be another interesting one. COF.
I'm ready to see GE. I don't really care about UNH that much, but I'll pay attention to it just because it's a big Dow name. But GE and Raytheon tomorrow morning, two that I'll be watching.
You know what's interesting?
Go ahead.
You know what sector has had a big run in? Outside of technology, I'm just looking at other stuff. Is real estate.
Real estate's been just like continual bid.
Like since they've had a huge ramp.
Yeah. They've been out. It's been outperforming.
I'm kind of surprised with where yields are. That real estate's up that much. I wonder if that's like a maybe the front running lower rates later. I don't know. It's interesting.
Well, Powell's got 9 days left. Technically 10.
That's all he's got.
Next Wednesday, though, is his last day.
Yep, that's right. Then we got Warsh. Didn't one of the Fed members? I thought I saw on Friday. They said they still could expect 3 to 4 cuts this year.
Wow.
I think it was it Daily or was it? I don't know. One of them. I saw the headline.
Woolsby?
Wow. Maybe one of them did. I saw it somewhere.
It's probably Miran or Miran, whatever they say his name.
Myron, I think his name. That would be aggressive to see 3-4 cuts. But you never know.
Oh no, did Monitive get hacked?
Why? He did? Is he posting some crazy stuff?
Oh no. All right, chat. We're gonna shut her down.
Shutting her
More
down.
stocks on Spaces, and we'll be on Stock Picks later tomorrow morning, live right here as normal. If you like Spaces, you can go over. There'll be a space all morning tomorrow until about 1 p.m. and then come hang out with us and the crew. Either way, we'll be live. This is Places tomorrow. A lot of stuff going on. Full schedule pinned on the Wolf Financial main page.
Great day, crew.
That's it, crew.
We'll see everybody tomorrow. Take care. Have a great night, y'all.